Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the outer door panel on your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a sturdy surface. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit to unthread the 3 screws at the bottom of the door assembly. Next, unthread the 2 screws in the upper corners. With the screws unthreaded, lift out the inner door panel. Now unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the door handle and bracket. Prepare the new outer door panel for installation by aligning the door handle and the bracket. Then thread and tighten the mounting screws. Join the inner and outer door panels together. Thread the 5 screws to secure. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the electric range should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.